Meet Effy AI, the ultimate tool to simplify and enhance employee performance reviews and 360-degree feedback processes. When it's time for reviews, even in small teams, you can find yourself managing hundreds of responses. With a complex process, Effy AI becomes an essential tool, saving you time and reducing stress. Here's what makes Effy AI stand out. Quick to set up, get started with reviews today. Automated reminders and feedback collection. Just set it and monitor things. AI-powered reports with valuable insights. No extra work, just the insights you need. Ready to see it in action? Launching a review with Effy AI is as easy as 3 simple steps. Create your questionnaire. Use your questions or get help from AI. With a library of thousands of templates at your fingertips. Tailor questionnaires for self-reviews, manager reviews, and other participants, and even customize the rating scales. Effy AI can also convert your questions into a conversational format for a more engaging experience. Add participants. Just upload your team. You can import from Excel, add individuals manually, or pull them directly from Slack. Set up review settings. Double-check the review deadline and decide what level of access each participant will have to the results. That's it. Just hit send to kick off the process. Within seconds, reviewers receive either an email or a Slack notification. They simply click open and start responding. It's that easy. Once reviews are sent out, you can track all responses online in real time and receive regular email updates on the review status. Reviewers will also get automatic reminders to complete their reviews by the specified deadline, helping ensure everything stays on track without any extra effort from you. Once responses are collected, it's time to generate insightful reports. Effy AI's Report Designer lets you build reports flexibly with customizable, ready-to-use blocks. Effy AI also analyzes all responses and creates summaries in the format you need, giving you valuable insights at a glance.